Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to this channel. And in this video, I will show you and tell you how you can find Clipboard on your Android phone. Please friends, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Be sure to put your likes below the video and also friends, write your comments after watching. And let's get started friends. Let me start by saying Clipboard. This is a function when you copy some text or, let's say, some photo, screenshot, and after that you can paste or send such text, let's say, in some conversation or to yourself in Notatki. And now I will show you friends where you can find and how to use such Clipboard. So, friends, first, to activate it, you will need, of course, to copy some text. In my case, it's some web page from my browser. And let's say, first of all, you need to copy some text, and that needs to be clicked and supported a little bit. Then you can either highlight the text, or it's if you have a message of some kind, the entirety of the entire message will be copied. So friends, after you see the text, click Copy. And now, let's say you'd like to either send it to someone or save it to a note. I'm going to save it in a note. And when I open a new note, as you can see, the keyboard shows up at the top with that text on the clipboard that I just copied. If you want to add some other text, you can either click on the cube sign or you have that 3 dots. Or you have the clipboard sign. And as you can see, there will be some text here that you've previously copied. And they're going to stay on that clipboard for a while, or maybe there's going to be some photos or screenshots for you. And you can select any of the texts, and as you can see, automatically this text is inserted. If you don't have a clipboard option in your keyboard, then, friends, I suggest you go to the settings on your device. That's swipe from the right side from top to bottom. Click on the gear. You'll open up the settings on your Android. And then you'll need to find the clipboard option and just activate it. This is the way, friends, you can find the clipboard on your Android phone very easily. Hope this video was helpful to you. Please don't forget to put your likes, write comments, and be sure to subscribe to this channel. Take care.